don't waste your time at home. Go and practice regularly. Then you will get more knowledge on maths. So today we are going to discuss about that polynomials. Previous class already we discussed what is polynomial, what is monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. And degree of the polynomial also we discussed. Once again we recall that what is degree of the polynomial, then we'll go for that zeros of the polynomial. First degree of the polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means the highest power of a variable in all terms is called degree of the polynomial. For example, if you take a linear polynomial 2x plus 4, it is a linear polynomial. A variable is x, the power is 1. So first term variable is x, the power is 1, the degree is 1. And second term is 4, is a constant, degree is 0. So which is the highest power in this two? 1. So degree is degree of 2x plus 4 is 1. One more example we'll take. 2x square plus 3x plus 4. It is also a polynomial. 3 terms it contains. Then let us take the variable in that polynomial 2x square. So the variable is x, the power is 2, degree is 2. And in this 3x, the degree is 1. 4, degree is 0. So which is the highest one in this? 2 is the highest one. So therefore degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of a 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is 2. So like this, which is the highest power in all terms? Then when we are comparing the all terms, which term contains the highest power? As a which term contains the variable has highest power? That is the degree of a polynomial. Now we'll discuss about the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. So what is 0? In place of variable, if you take any constant value, the whole polynomial value is equal to 0, then that value, that constant value, that number is 0 of the polynomial. So for example, 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to, when we transpose to that side, minus 4, then x is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2 here. So when you substitute minus 2 in this polynomial 2x plus 4, if it becomes 0, then minus 2 is a 0 of polynomial 2x plus 4. So just substitute it in place of x, minus 2 plus 4. 2 minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4. The total value is become 0. So minus 2, when we substitute minus 2 in this polynomial, the total value of this polynomial becomes 0. So therefore we can call minus 2 is a 0 of polynomial. Okay, so some more problems we'll discuss in the next class. Until you can practice like this by taking binomial, trinomial, multinomial and degrees 2, degrees 3 and substitute the values, different values, then you will get more understand. Okay.